So, hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemarie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to unbox and set up this 4K digital camera. Okay, yes, how to unbox and set up a 4K digital camera, and the brand is Vivitar. Yes, this is the camera right here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to unbox and set this camera. So before I start, I'm going to be showing you guys the full size of the box. Okay, this is it right here. So this is the front right here. This is the back right here. The other side, bottom and top. So I have a video about this camera on my page, but most of my audience keep asking me, so I'm here today to correct maybe to make things clear to them. The last time when I was unboxing and setting this camera up, so this is the box right here. It's empty right here, so I'm just gonna be putting this aside. The first thing I got here is my, let's see. So the first thing I have here is my camera, and the camera is in a little pack right here. So let's take this camera and see. Yeah, and what I like about this pack is the camera have a pack and you have just a little stuff right here to hold it with. Yeah. So this is the camera. Oh my God. I'm gonna put this aside right here. And this is the camera. You also have a little stuff to hold this camera with. So I'm going to be talking about this camera. But let me just put this and see what all we have in the box here, okay? So let's see what all we have in the box here. So in the box here we have a remote for the camera. So I'm going to be taking the remote from the box. From the bag. This is the remote right here. Yeah. Okay. And then the next thing we have in here is gonna be USB cord. So with this stuff, it allows you to take video or picture from your camera to your computer to your phone or laptop, whatever you're using. Okay. Yeah, this is what the USB cord for. Okay, and the next one we have here is the charger. We have charger here for the camera. Oh, that is wonderful. The camera like a charge. Okay, so we have charger right here. Yeah, and the next thing we have in here is the battery. This is the battery right here. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the battery off. So this is the camera battery right here. Oh my God, it's very little. Oh my God, I don't have this. The next thing we have in here is the menu for the camera. Yes, this is the menu for the camera. So now it's time to, we're done with the unboxing process of the camera. It is time to set up this camera, okay? So let's get started. So here, this is adapter. Yeah, adapter. You can use the adapter in your camera. But I already have one adapter in my camera here. So this is just extra, but it didn't come with this, okay? This is extra adapter I bought for myself. Okay. So don't get confused and say, oh, I didn't see adapter in mine. No. For this one, I bought it myself. I bought it by myself. I bought it separately, guys. So let's see what we have in here. So right here we have place for marks. Maybe I'm going, if I come closer, maybe you guys gonna see. So right here, this camera right here, this space right here, we have space here for marks. We have place here for the HD. We have place for the USB cord. Okay. So let's say your camera battery is low. Let's say if your camera battery is low and you want to charge it, you're going to come right here. It's locked. You're going to open this place right here, just like this. Put this in here, the USB cord, and then plug it on the wall. So it's going to charge. So this place is for TV stuff, the Mac, the USB cord, the HD. Okay. Then the next place we have here gonna be for the battery. Here is the battery place right here. This place right here is the battery place. So we're gonna open this to put the battery in there, okay? So I recommend whenever you're done, like if you want to open this right here, it's like a little bit different to open. So the first time I got this camera, I was like pressing this to see if it's gonna open, but it didn't work for me. So you have to press this little place right here with your nails, and it's just gonna open. So this space, this little space right here is the battery space right here. So the first video I make, this is where the confusion came about. The first video I make, the battery was low. So when I put the battery in the camera, most people say I put the battery on because it didn't come on. It didn't come on because the battery was low. So now my battery is fully charged. So this is why I'm doing this video over, okay? So I'm sorry to all of my audience for any misunderstanding, okay? I'm so sorry for that. So this is my battery right here. And guys, do you want to come closer? So this is where you put the battery right here, and I'm just gonna put the battery in for you guys to see. Okay. It's a little bit guys, oh wait a minute. Yeah, I received a lot of comments from my audience, be like, oh, you didn't put the battery the right way. Guys, putting this battery be like really confusing sometimes. Yeah, because it's like this space right here is a little bit tight for the battery. I don't know why they did it like that. Sister girl, what you up to?
I'm trying.
Wait a minute. So this is the place right here for the battery, and this is how I put my battery right here and put it in just like this. We have to be, yeah, just like this, okay? Baby girl, hold on, wait a minute, okay? I'll close this. Then the same space for the battery right here. We also have a place here for memory chip. I hope you guys gonna see. Is the camera far away from me? So this is the battery space right here, and right on top here we also have a space for memory chip right here. Yeah, I hope you guys gonna see this. If you don't see this, I'm sorry guys. Okay, so now let's put the camera on. It's time to start the camera, okay? So where's the power button? So right here is the power button right here. Yes, so this is the power button right here. I'm gonna so guys, here the battery is in this the right way according to you guys. The first time my battery was low, it didn't come on, so you guys were like, oh, you didn't put the battery the right way. I've been using this camera before, I know how to use it. It's just like the battery was low. I'm sorry for the inconvenience or the misunderstanding that I caused for you guys. So this is the phone right here. I mean, this is the camera. We're about to set it up, okay? But I was showing you guys, like, let's say you want to charge your, baby, get back up. Stop that. So let's say you want to charge your camera. You want to get a little current, the battery is low. You're going to come right here where I showed you guys earlier. Plug the charger in here. And then you can use any charger of your choice. The charger I have for this camera is really short. So right here, I just want to show you guys. Somebody gonna ask me, how do you know if your phone is charging? Okay, you see guys, we have two lights right here. You're gonna see this red light on when the camera is charging, okay? Yeah, but it's 100% charged. So okay, now it's time to set this camera up. We are done with the unboxing process. Yeah, so let's set this camera up. So as long as the battery is in it the right way and the battery is fully charged, or the battery is charged, as soon as you open it, it's gonna, you know, come on by itself. Yeah, so So right here, you see right in here, guys, can you see this? So it's optional. If you want to use the remote, you can use this remote. If you want to use the touch screen, you can use the touch screen. If you also want to use the body on the other side, you have 3 ways to use this. You can use this body right here. It's the same function on this remote. You can also use this touch screen, okay? So the remotes, if you don't have the remote around, you can also use this stuff right here or use this other way. So let me see what I'm going to be doing here. So in here, if you want to turn this camera off, we have the power mode right here. The power right here. It's the same function on this remote. I'm just going to put it down for you guys to be looking at it. Guys, can you see this? So I'm going to read. We have the power mode right here. We have the menu on this remote. The same process here. On the screen, we have menu. We have the up and down button. We have the home screen. We have so many stuff. We also have, yeah, everything. So with this camera, you can use a Wi-Fi on it. We have the power button. We have the OK button. We have mode. We have menu. We have the up and down button on this camera. And we also have Wi-Fi on this camera, okay? Yes, we have Wi-Fi. We have places for Wi-Fi. And they also take like a USB card. Yes, I told you guys. Yeah. So I'm going to be making a whole video about how to use this camera. This video is just about how to unbox and set it up. So let's come to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let me see the menu. Wait, we're in the menu. So attach the menu right here. We got your photo. We have a lot of stuff in here. So what you want to do, just go to setting right here. Press the setting. And it's going to take you to whatever you want to do on this photo, okay? So this is I'm going to have a special video about how to use this camera. So the video I'm making the video I'm making now is just about how to unbox and set it up. We're done with the setting up process. I'm going to make next video for you guys about how to use this camera. Like I told you guys, I'm sorry for any inconvenience I may have caused you guys or any misunderstanding. The first video I made, a lot of you guys commenting be like, you didn't put the battery the right way. No, in that video the the camera came on, but it didn't last. I put the battery the right way, but the battery was low. That's the only reason. So I'm so sorry for any inconvenience, and thanks to all of you guys so much for letting me know. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. My name is Rosemarie. I'm from West Africa, Liberia. I'm based in the US. To be precise, I live in Ohio. Yeah, I live in Ohio. I'm a mother of 2. Yep. On my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do cleaning up. I do cooking. I cook on a live video. I do cleaning. I do products review, which I'm doing now. Yeah, I do products review, and I just do just a little bit of everything. So my channel is family friendly. You can watch my channel with your friends, your relative, your loved one, your kids. Yeah, it's family friendly. You don't have to be like, oh, it's not. No. Anybody can watch my video, okay? So thanks to all of you guys so much. So I'm on my vacation. As you all know, I'm on a vacation. It's vacation time for me. So I'm doing a lot of work. I'm gonna upload video like almost every day because I don't want to go back to work. It's gonna be basic schedule for me. So I have Samsung Galaxy A16, Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. I already made video about this, and I also have Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, which I also make video about on my page. And I'm also gonna come up, back up, go back. I also have a video. I'm gonna make a video about Samsung Galaxy A35 versus Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. I'm gonna tell you guys the difference, okay? And I just make a video. Guys, come on, making a video. I just make a video about this. The best foam stand for car. I already make a video about that. So guys, thank you so much. I got more videos coming up. Stay tuned. Keep coming to watch more videos. I love you all so much. One love from my end. Let me give you guys 360 for the camera, okay? Yeah, I look different today, right? Yeah. Let me give you guys 360 for the camera. Yeah, I see something beautiful for your backside. Your waist beautiful. and you are 25. So guys, thank you so much. Bye. I love you all so much. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this camera, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this camera. I love this. I love to hear the sound of this camera. So guys, thank you so much. Bye, and come back to watch more of this video, okay? Thank you. I love you.